Previously on Kicking It With Q.
Don't ever say Red ain't did no off-roading. Look at this. Look at this. Oh man, the reels. That's funny, man. Alright, what's up guys? So right now I'm out this morning examining the aftermath of the truck last night. As you see, I did go to the car wash and try to clean it up a little bit. I didn't want all that mud staining. I'm just start from the back, work to the front. I think on the back end, everything looked okay from when I washed it because this end wasn't really sunk too much in the mud. It was, but it wasn't. Tailgate, it's just dirty. It needs to be cleaned. I know under the undercarriage, Fox shocks had mud all in them. My rear diff was covered. The rear end wasn't too bad. There's still a whole bunch of mud down up in there. I can see the rims definitely like they've been scratched. On the back, look at this here. Yeah, they've been scratched. Yeah, all that scratched. Moving along the side, I don't see much on the side, which is okay. Good thing there, but you can see some mud is still falling out here on the front. Looking at the front is where it got really, really murky. Look at my rims. Look at that. Scratched, scratched, scratched. All of them are scratched. Scratched all up, man. So, I'm not sure how I'm gonna even get if that's even fixable. Yeah, bro. Damn. That looks pretty bad, I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Every single spoke is scratched up, bro. Sheesh. Moving to the front here, I saw a few paint chips. So right here's one, there's one. This one was already there. I did that. And that's pretty it, which is, I'm pretty happy about that. It didn't come out pretty bad on the front. Moving on to the top, of course, you got the freaking windshield that is cracked, man. Trying to show y'all that. It actually put a pretty big size hole all the way through. It hit right there. It's cracked all over. So actually, glass is actually coming through pretty good through the inside of the cabin there. It went like straight through almost. So I was lucky not to get hit actually, so that's cool. I'm not sure if y'all can see at the top up there. The chain hit and did dent, 3 dents right there. 1, 2, 3 up top. So yeah, that's a little eyesore. It don't look too bad because the truck is so tall, but I know it's there, I can see it. And the main thing I think that I saw that bugged me last night was my freaking hood, man. Look at this. So, scratched up, it's scratched. The chain like slid across, scratch, 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 and like here. So like, the chain like just hit the truck. So this looks the worst to me because that's fixable, that's repairable. The hood is repairable too. I'm not sure if this can be buffed out or whatnot, man. But yeah, it goes all the way across to here. That looks pretty bad, I'll be honest with you. Moving to the other side, rims over here. These scratched as well. Scratched, scratched, scratched. Yeah, they're scratched. Still got some mud in there, get it out. There's mud everywhere, guys. I sprayed this thing for like 2 hours and there's still mud everywhere. So I'm probably gonna take it and get it detailed and get the undercarriage blown out because there's mud all underneath the undercarriage as well that I couldn't get to. I tried to. Driver's side wheel doesn't look as bad as the passenger side. And that wheel was the main one spinning when I was stuck, so that makes sense. Going down to the side, honestly, the sides came out okay, like okay, which is, I'm happy about that. And here's the rear tire. This tire was not spinning at all, so there's no scratches on it. So the bed, of course, still probably full of sand. I washed it, but you know, sand everywhere, man. So from what I can tell so far, that is all that's damaged. Suspension and thing doesn't seem to be damaged or anything like that. I know on my way home, when I was driving home, there was so much mud and gunk under the suspension. Dude, I was getting, my tires were I was going like 45, 50, and the steering wheel was just shaking. I could barely hold on to it, so I had to like slow down like 50 on the interstate because the steering wheel was shaking so much because of all the weight of the mud. After I washed it and went and drove it, I got to 80s, it was fine. No shaking, no vibration. It was just all that weight of the mud was throwing the whole thing out of balance. Let me show y'all the inside too, where it was cracked, how I got cracked. So, oh, you can see really good from inside. So here's the inside. Here, y'all can see probably a little better now, but Yeah, it came through like right there is where it really went bad. So you see the big hit down there. But yeah, so there's glass here. All this is glass. Glass out down here. Actually should have bought a vacuum. Glass here. Glass there. So I got mud over here. I missed that. I didn't even see that last night, but okay. Anyway, for the most part, I think everything is fixable, repairable. The glass will be fixed first. Then I'm gonna go get it washed underneath the detail, and then I gotta find somebody to look at this and see what can be done about my freaking paint. This is the most eyesoring thing to me, like, because this is like a main part of the truck, the front end here, and if you walk up, I can see it from here. Like, I can see the scratches from here. We'll get fixed, of course. I'll take y'all along through the process, getting everything fixed. Yeah, if you know any solutions, drop in the comment below. I'll check them out. About the hood, if you think that's like can be buffed out or just repainted. Do I need the whole hood repainted, or you know how that would work? Yeah, it's like scratches, man. So I'm not sure if it's like in the paint. Yeah, it's in the paint. So could have been worse. Truck still drives. Make sure she starts. I started last night. She been sitting now. Let's see if she cranks up. Yep. So started like a champ, so that's a good sign. She started. I don't think anything else is wrong. I didn't do anything crazy. Y'all saw the video. I literally went down and boom, got stuck. I didn't, you know, do anything stupid. I mean, I did something stupid, but I didn't do anything crazy. So I don't think anything wrong with suspension, honestly. I might just have to get it looked over just to make sure. If someone was telling me my gut, it looked like a smoke stream, but when I stepped on that stuff, it was like quicksand. I'm like, this is pretty soft. Even though we were stepping on it, it was weird. One portion of it was like very sturdy. The other portion where we actually did go through, where the water looked like it was the lowest, was the deepest. So deep as far as mud. So anyway, where it was okay, we'll get it all cleaned up and fixed up, and we'll go from there. I'll catch y'all next week. Peace.